Hi everyone, my name is Anne Samuel, and for my General Chemistry 1 lab, I'm going to be demonstrating calculating density and comparing the densities of water to each other. To figure out density, we need mass and volume, so I'll be finding the mass and volume of the two different temperatures of water and comparing the densities to each other. The cold water is currently at 17.3 degrees Celsius. And then the last 5 milliliters brings it to 25 milliliters. And it comes out to 0.88 ounces. After tearing a different flask, I'm going to repeat the process with the hot water. The temperature of the hot water is about 80.9 degrees Celsius. Okay, the temperature is about 80.9 degrees Celsius, so I'm going to now do the same thing that I did with the cold water, but this time with the hot water. These are the tables with the densities calculated. The mass was converted from ounces to grams before doing the calculations. And here's the graphs for the cold water and hot water of the densities. The cold water has a greater density than the hot water. Okay, so one of the cups is filled with hot water. This one right here is hot water, and this one is cold water. It's the same temperatures as before. I'm gonna dye them really quick. Okay, so the hot water is dyed red and the cold water is dyed green because of Christmas. I'm gonna use a piece of paper to try to flip the hot water on top of the green water or the cold water. Okay, I think it worked. It did get a little messy because I spilled like half of it, but I'll show you. I did spill some, that's why the red cup is half empty. I think that's why it mixed together a little bit, but for the most part, the green and the red did stay separate because of the fact that hot water is less dense than cold water. I'm gonna repeat the second part. I'm just gonna do it flip so that the green water or the cold water is on top and the hot water is on the bottom. Okay, well, the same thing kind of happened. I spilled a good amount, but as you can see, the colors did mix. There's still a good amount of water. Well, there's a bit of water. There's still a bit of water in the first. The water that's in here still shows that the more dense water, which is the cold, was able to go up, and the hot water, the less dense water, was able to go down, which is why the colors mixed together and gave you this not very Christmassy color. So that was my experiment on calculating density using mass and volume, and also comparing the density of hot water to cold water. I hope you enjoyed or learned something new. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.